Hey everyone, welcome back again to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscription button and click the bell icon and stay tuned with our latest videos. Today we are diving into a fantastic tool that can change your design game forever, and that is Canva. So what exactly is Canva? Canva is actually an online graphic design platform that is perfect actually for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva makes it easy to create stunning designs in just minutes. So let's get started with the basics. To get started with Canva, simply go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. They also offer a pro version with additional features, but the free version is pretty powerful on its own as well. Of course, once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you can start a new design by selecting from a variety of templates. Canva has templates for social media posts, presentations, flyers, even videos, and actually many more. Let's create an Instagram post. Click on create a design and select Instagram post. You will be taken to the design editor, which is super intuitive for sure. On the left, you have your toolbar with options like templates, elements, texts, and uploads. Alright, let's pick a template. Canva has thousands of templates you can choose from. Once you select a template, you can customize it by changing the text, color, font, and even add your own images or logo if you wish. Just click on the element you want to change and start editing. It's that simple. You can also add elements like shapes, icons, illustrations. Canva's library is really huge, and you can drag and drop elements right into your design. If you have your own images, just upload them and use them in your project. Actually, one of the coolest features of Canva is the ability to collaborate with others. You can share design with team members and work on it together in real time. This is perfect for team projects and brainstorming sessions. Just click on the share button, enter the email addresses of your team members, and send them an invite. They can view or edit the design depending on the permissions you set. And definitely, of course, once you're happy with the design, you can download it in various forms like PNG, JPEG, PDF, and even MP4 for videos. Just click on the download button, choose your preferred format, and save it into your computer. And there you have it, a quick and easy introduction to Canva. Whether you're creating content for social media, making presentations, or designing marketing materials, Canva has got you covered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video really helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy designing. Enjoy your day.